Bitcoin is officially broken below the $28,490 structure support that we have been maintaining for some time now. This is not a great sign for Bitcoin, and with other indicators showing bearish, I think we could head even farther down. Despite that, not all is lost, and I will be discussing that in the rest of this video. Let's check it out. Before we get started, I want to let you know our members have access to 5 total trade setups at the moment. We are 15 wins, 0 losses, and as soon as these 5 trades win, that'll be 24 20 wins. So if you want to join us on these trades, be sure to check out the membership link in the description below. And as a bonus, you'll get access to the brand new future forecast video that Travis just posted this morning. With that, let's get into the charts. Here we are on the TradeConfident.io website, scrolling down to the Bitcoin metrics. The first metric we're going to be looking at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index, and we can see a massively sharp drop into anxious territory. This comes with the price drop as well, and I'm sure as you've experienced, people tend to get really afraid as the price of Bitcoin drops. They don't know where it's going to go. They get caught up in fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and because of that, they're going to feel really anxious or even fearful. However, as Warren Buffett said, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. So because of that, most often when we fall into anxious or fearful territory, this is where we're seeing reversals in the market. Now, this is supported by the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. Volatility is starting to die off a little bit. It's only a slightly smaller green bar here in the low volatility side. And as volatility trails off, we will likely see more linear movement for the time being. Heading on into the Bitcoin whale smart money metric, we're also seeing long trade sentiment increasing from the whales. However, it's not until we see a metric value of 800 or 1,000 or higher until we really see those long trades come in. And honestly, we're pretty close. This is the highest long trade sentiment that we've seen since early March. So this is very exciting to see. Heading on into the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels. Currently, the closest structure support on this chart is 25,288, but I think we need to be paying attention to the structure support right here that is much closer. Heading on down to the Bitcoin long versus short trades chart. Long trades have very slightly diminished in this market, which is partially what has caused this drop in Bitcoin. As soon as long trades come into the market, you're going to be seeing an increase in price as well, so be on the lookout for that. Heading into, last but not least, the Bitcoin daily trade scanner. We do not have any signals yet, but on this drop, possibly within the next couple of candles here, I'm hoping to see a buy or even a strong buy signal. And as soon as we see that, that will indicate the next move up in Bitcoin. Now, you're going to want to keep track of this. If you are a Bitcoin trader or a crypto trader in general, it's super important to pay attention to the Bitcoin metrics. If you want to get access to this, as well as the trade setups that we are 15 wins, 0 losses, you can actually actively join us on 5 trades. If you want to get access to those future forecasts and even more features, go ahead and check out the membership link down in the description below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. Now, the basic access for $29 a month will give you access to those Bitcoin metrics, but it only gives you access to 10 coins overall, whereas the full access for $59 a month gives you access to all 20 coins worth of metrics. It gives you that scalping trade call. It gives you future forecasts and many more benefits. So I highly recommend the $59 a month. The additional benefits that you get will easily make up in profits what you might save in the basic access. So go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Bitcoin on the 1-day time frame again. We're seeing that the price versus while money flow is still kind of high. Honestly, like it's a little bit higher than I'm feeling comfortable with. However, the trend exhaustion is in its bottom red section, and the 50, 100, and 200 moving averages are looking bullish. With that said, though, the RSI, stochastic, and MACD are all pointing bearish. So this tells me that we could unfortunately see continued moves down. On the metrics, we did see a pretty bullish sentiment, to be honest. So even if we do move down, I am expecting big moves up. And this would simply just be a higher low. This overall would create a further uptrend. Heading into the 4-hour time frame, I think it's important that we get a closer look at the current market for today. Right now, the price versus while money flow is extremely low on its chart and beginning to tick back up. This could be an indication of a move up, and when combined with the trend exhaustion super low, this is where we could be seeing moves up in the market. Unfortunately, the RSI, stochastic, MACD, and all moving averages are pretty bearish on the 4-hour time frame. However, personally, I'm going to be trusting the price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion more at this point. I will say again that this structure support right here at $26,566 is still in play. But after that, I'm expecting a crazy move up heading on into the next couple of weeks. From the current price, it's looking like a drop of about 4.28%. However, after that drop, After we break up, I will be looking for a move up to at least the $31,000 range. And if you watched Travis's video yesterday, which was incredible, by the way, highly recommend checking that out. We're seeing a possibility of a move up to 32,000. This is something we've been waiting for some time. And from the current price, this could be a shot up to 11% if we hit 31,000, or as high as 15% if we hit 32,000 after that. So you are going to need to follow along. All we're looking for at this point is for whales to pump money straight into the market on both the 4-hour and the 1-day time frame. On the 1-day, price versus while money flow is fairly neutral, and with that there is plenty of room to move up. Trend exhaustion is low on both time frames, so what I'm seeing is honestly pretty bullish sentiment. With that, you're going to want to grab these indicators. They're going to be crucial as Bitcoin makes its moves because the market is getting increasingly volatile, and these indicators do amazingly in this type of market. I'll show you how to get them for up to $400 off right now, and in order to do that, all you have to do is check out the links in the description down below. Again, just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and get the indicators here. Now I'll show you how to get them real quick, but I do want to show off a little bit. This person was happy with their $756 on their first trade, $4,300 in just a week. This person made $1,000 using these indicators. In order to grab them, all you got to do is click the checkout link right here. This will bring you to our bundle and save pack. This is valued at $2,241, but we're giving it to you for only $399. With a 5-star rating here, you know it's awesome. Now this will include the trend exhaustion, price versus while money flow, trend dashboard, and several other indicators for you to use. And in order to get the TC top and bottom finder at a discount, just click I want this, fill in your information here. I'm going to put in a fake zip code to show you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and click pay, and it'll give you an option to buy the TC top and bottom finder for only $349, despite the fact that it's normally $749. This is a one-time offer on this purchase, so be sure to grab that, and that'll give you all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators between the bundle pack and the TC top and bottom finder for cheaper than the TC top and bottom finder itself. Just go ahead and click add to cart and follow the prompts from there, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, thanks so much for watching. Pay attention to the $26,566 level, and after that, a rebound all the way back up to either $31,000 or $32,000. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.